You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Move mountains, we gon' walk it out and move mountains. And I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again.
Andalusia man enters Alford plea to DUI after crash kills two. Andalusia man gets 18 years in prison for DUI crash that killed two.
Mitch Gayer pled guilty and was sentenced to 18 years in prison for driving drunk and killing two passengers in his car. Now a judge says he can take it back and start over.
Here it is 2.5 years later, and we're back to square one. What in the heck is going on?
Tracy O'Hara is the mother of 22-year-old Jamie Seedham, who died that night.
Did you think a judge would say, you pled guilty, now you can take it back?
No. I'm shocked.
At a hearing last month, Gayer blamed his attorney, Jerry Schick, for pressing him to plead guilty and says he was never advised that he could get a stiff prison sentence.
The facts are, you drank, you drove, you killed two people. You're guilty. You don't remember? So what?
The night of the accident, Gayer's blood alcohol was more than twice the legal limit. Seedham, an aspiring model and nursing student, had absolutely no alcohol in her system. Her mom says she may not have driven that night because she didn't have her driver's license with her.
She made that mistake, and she didn't get behind the wheel. She paid for her mistake with her life.
Now she says she wants Gayer to pay for his.
In a 4-page written opinion filed on December 30th, 2015, Associate Judge Thomas Berglund said that given the totality of the circumstances, he could not conclude that Attorney Schick was reasonable under prevailing professional norms. Judge Thomas Berglund also commented on Mr. Schick's law practice and his prolonged health issues, and said that he and other court personnel saw Mr. Schick fall asleep at Mitchell Gayer's sentencing hearing. After the release of the written opinion by Judge Thomas Berglund, Tracy O'Hara, mother of Jamie Seedham, writes,
In regards to Judge Berglund, if it is true that His Honor witnessed the attorney fall asleep during court proceedings, as well as knowing that Mr. Schick has or had certain health conditions that would make him, the attorney, unfit, then it is my opinion that His Honor did not uphold his legal duty that he was obligated and appointed to do by law. I would assume that when His Honor was appointed to the bench, sworn in, and took the oath, that His Honor was legally bound to uphold the law. His Honor is placed in a position of authority and trust and given the right to make decisions on a day-to-day basis that can affect many lives when he slams down his gavel. His Honor has broken that authority and trust and has broken an oath that he was sworn to uphold. His Honor has added to an already horrible injustice and should be held accountable. If it is true His Honor witnessed and knew these things and did nothing. Sincerely, Tracy.